we there yet?
We've only been flying for like a minute.
I asked, are we there yet?
Nope.
How about now?
Still no.
Maybe I should just zip it, right?
I think we're almost there.
Your senses are correct, Gummy.
This is your captain speaking. Please bring your tray tables and seats to an upright position. And all the rest of that captainy stuff. We're about to bring this baby down.
Wait, it is my turn to land.
You really don't know what you're doing, do you, Harry?
Why do you say that?
Well, for one thing, you're trying to steer the plane with the windshield wiper controls.
I just wanted to clean the windows first. I'm disappointed in your lack of faith in me, Gummy. I've been flying boats.
Planes?
Right, planes. I've been flying planes since before the Wright brothers. Me and planes, we go way back. Let me just turn on the air conditioner since it's kind of stuffy in here.
Disrespect intended, but are you sure you know what you're doing, Harry?
The answer starts with an N and ends with an O, with nothing in between.
Am I sure I know what I'm doing? Absolutely, positively, and without a shadow of a doubt, 100% totally. I do not know what I'm doing.
You've never done this before, have you?
Well, actually, no. But hey, I've always wanted to, and how hard can it be, huh?
I really wish he hadn't said that.
What does this thingamajig do?
Kids, don't ever try to single-handedly land a jet plane in the North Pole. Yeah, at least not without your parents' permission. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah. Circle the village and look for a place to land.
Circle Smirkle. Didn't you notice that landing strip down there? It's obviously the runway.
I really don't know, Harry.
Piece of proverbial cake, gang.
Why is it that every time he says that, I want to go on a diet?
I command you to stop! I request you to stop!
Nice landing, bro.
I never doubted my ability for a second.
I'm sure my pulse will be back to normal